Hey guys, it's Kyla from the MJC, and I'm here with just a quick video on the caption of the proposed marital settlement with minor children. So, as always, before we get going, just a quick reminder that nothing in this video is intended to be legal advice. It's a video, so I'm not able to analyze your specific situation and to determine whether this is the right paperwork for you, whether a court is likely to approve your proposal, and whether what you're asking for is in your best interest. So if you have those kinds of questions, I'd recommend getting some legal advice. You can get brief legal advice for free here in Milwaukee County through the Marquette Volunteer Legal Clinics. If you're not located in Milwaukee County, you can contact your clerk of court to find out what resources are available in your area. All right, so let's jump into this. So here, you're going to put the county where you filed your action. So for most folks, that's going to be Milwaukee. But if you're located in another county, you'll put the county where you filed. Next, down here, we're going to do the caption. So caption is just fancy lawyer language for this top section here. And you're going to want to make sure the order of the names should be exactly as it appears on the original petition. So if you were the person who filled out the summons and petition, and now you are filling out this one, you'll go ahead and your name will go first. If you were the person who was served, so you were given the documents by a sheriff or a process server, or your spouse gave them to you and you signed something called an admission, then your name will go second, even if you're the one who is now pushing forward and wanting to get this thing moving. So the names will go in the order they were originally. For those of you who started as joint petitioners, but now for whatever reason no longer agree, so you're doing the proposed marital settlement, you'll want to put the names in whatever order they were on that original petition that you filed. So for our folks, Jane Doe's name went first on their original paperwork, and if you're not sure, you can always check the copies of your paperwork that were returned to you by the court. You can also, if you don't have a copy of your documents anymore, you can contact Civil Records to see if you can get a copy of that original petition. Or you can go to CCAP, CCAP, where you can search by case number through their case search function to be able to find your, it won't show you your original petition, but you'll be able to see the order of the names, because it'll say in re the marriage of name 1 and name 2. But so we know in our situation, we have John and Jane, and you'll see I included their middle names. If you included your middle names on that original petition, include them here. If you didn't on the original petition, then just do first name, last name like you did on the original petition. Here, we will click either if you are seeking a divorce, you'll click divorce. If you are wanting a legal separation instead, then you will click legal separation. So just whichever it is you're wanting. And then last but not least, you are going to put in the case number. So that should be stamped on your paperwork. It's usually stamped in purple on the petition, and it usually starts with a year. So like this year it would be 2020. Tomorrow it would be 2021, or next year it would be 2021. But what we do is we just put the end of the date. So for example, in 2020, we just take off this first 20, and so then it ends up being 20, FA, and then there are 6 numbers at the end. And so if this were, if my case had been 2021, it might be 21. So that's how we put in the case number at the top. All right, well, that is all for the caption. Thank you guys for watching. I will be back shortly with a whole series of videos about all of the substantive sections in this 13-page document. So I hope you guys will hang in with me for the whole thing. Thank you for watching. If you do have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Milwaukee Justice Center. In non-pandemic times, we're located in room G9 of the Milwaukee County Courthouse. All right, that is all for now. I hope you all go out and represent yourselves well.